Hey guys, welcome back to Lexi's World. Today, my best friend Rosa is joining me, but she's sleeping in her bed, and I'm gonna pull a squishy prank on her, and it's gonna be so funny. I want to see her reaction. Let's do it. But first, I'm gonna dress up as a horror person. Okay, I have dressed up as a horror person. I'm gonna prank Rosa right now, and the thing that I'm gonna do is this. I have these squishies, all of them. I have loads of squishies, and I'm gonna pull a prank on Rosa, and I'm in her room. She's like sleeping so hard. Let's do this. Okay, so I have the squishies. I'm gonna pull them on my friend. You can see her in the camera. She's wearing a panda nightie, and I am gonna pull the prank. So yeah, let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. I have them now, and now I am gonna pull the prank on Rosa. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah? What the heck is wrong with you? I need my beauty rest, and you're just trying to kill me. Ah! Hey! Ah! I guess it's raining squishies. Ah! It's raining squishies from out of the sky. Squishies. No need to ask why. This is what you get doing it to the beautiful me. Guys, that was a crazy prank. Subscribe and leave a like. No, don't subscribe. She's the worst. Ha ha ha. Do not listen to her. And okay, like the video because she's. And guess what? My friend Rosa has her own YouTube channel. You should subscribe to her. I don't know what it's called. It's called Rosa Poser. No, it's not. That was Mineral. No. Mineral Happy Rosa Poser. No, it's not. Okay. It was. Bye, guys.